Let us start. Write down the question of trigonometry. Write down revision 4. Revision 4 trigonometric question. Revision 4. First write down if phi cos theta is equal to 6 sin theta, if phi cos theta is equal to 6 sin theta, if phi cos theta is equal to 6 sin theta, if phi cos theta is equal to 6 sin theta, then find the value of 12 sin theta minus 3 cos theta upon 12 sin theta plus 3 cos theta. Second, ठीक है, we'll see that. Now it is clear? Yes. Now write. If 5 cos theta is equal to 3, if 5 cos theta is equal to 3, then evaluate if 5 cos theta is equal to 3, then evaluate cosec theta minus cot theta upon cosec theta plus cot theta. Then third, no, clear it, because there are some requests. Now it is clear, right? Then if 2 sin x is equal to root 3, then find 4 sin cube x minus 3 sin x. Then fourth, if okay. Now it is clear. Now it is clear, I think. Yes. Now fourth is if 2 cos a plus b is equal to 2 sin a minus b is equal to 1, then find first a angle A second angle B, and third angle A plus B. हाँ हाँ recording some problem may arise. Then proved that recording was not taken place. So prove that sine 2 into 30 degree is equal to 2 tan 30 degree upon 1 plus tan square 30 degree. 1 plus tan square 30 degree. You have to prove. Consider left hand side, right hand side, and show that left hand side and right hand side both have same value. Then evaluate cos square 60 degree. Evaluate cos square 60 degree plus sec square 30 degree. Sec square 30 degree. Sec is a reciprocal of cos. Plus tan square 45 degree. Tan square 45 degree. Then sixth. Seventh. See, all this you have to practice because the difficulty comes in the evaluation part of this. Tan square 45 degree is same as tan 45 whole square. This remember. Cos square 60 degree is nothing but cos 60 whole square. Sec square 30 degree is sec 30 whole square. And sec 30 you will write 1 upon cos 30. Then seventh, solve for theta. Solve for theta. You have to find the value of theta. It is given 2 cos 3 theta is equal to 2 cos 3 theta minus 1 is equal to 0. You have to find the value of theta. 2 cos 3 theta wait. Solve for x. This is theta and this is 0. 2 sin 3x is equal to 1. Find the value of x. 9 1 minute. Find the magnitude means value. Find the magnitude of A if 2 sin A cos A minus cos A minus 2 sin A plus 1 is equal to 0. Find the magnitude of A. You have to simplify and find the value of A. Then 10th, solve for x. Sin x plus 10 degree. Sin x plus 10 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Sin x plus 10 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Sin x plus 10 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Find the value. Then then 11 and 11th then 11th find PQ. 11th find PQ. Find PQ if AB is 150 meter. AB is 150 meter. Alright, no. AB is 150 meter. Angle P is 30 degree. And angle Q is 45 degree. Angle Q is 45 degree. There are two diagrams in 11th. 11th first. It is find PQ. Triangle APQ. Triangle APQ. This is APQ. APQ. And this AB is perpendicular. AB is perpendicular to PQ. Angle P is given 30 degree. Angle Q is 45 degree. And AB is given 150 meter. Find PQ. No, this is not solid. Solution of right triangle property. Solid will. Solid is not there. Solid is not there. This is from solution of right triangles. Then this is 90 degree AB. AB. ABP. Then Q is there. PQ. AB is 150 meter. AB is 150 meter in both the case. Now P is 30 degree. P is 30 degree. Q is 45 degree. And AB is 150 meter. Find the value of PQ in this. Find the value of PQ in this. Find the value of PQ and find the value of PQ. Then then 12th then 12th question, you go through that. While writing the question, you go on checking whether any difficulty is there. If there is difficulty, just put the star there. Then 12th, find the value of 3 sin square 30 degree. 3 sin square 30 degree. 3 sin square 30 degree plus 2 tan square 60 degree. 2 tan square 60 degree minus 5 cos square 45 degree. Cos square 45 degree. Then 13th, that given A is 60 degree and B is 30 degree. A is 60 degree, B is 30 degree. Prove that prove that first sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, cos A sin B. Second, cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B, cos A cos B minus cos A cos B plus sin A sin B plus sin A sin B. Then third, cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So this you have to prove. Then 14th question. 14th question. If 17 cos x is equal to 15, find the value of tan x, find the value of tan x plus 2 sec x. Find the value of tan x plus 2 sec x. Then 15th, then 15th, then 15th, then 15th, then 15th, find the value of, this is from complementary angle, find the value of sin 42 degree into sin 48 degree minus cos 42 degree into cos 48 degree. Cos 48 degree. 16th, find the value of Find the value of 1 minute. Find the value of cos 70 degree upon sin 20 degree plus cos 59 degree upon sin 31 degree minus 8 sin square 30 degree. Then 17th, prove that 20 sums are there. Prove that two parts are there. First, tan 10 degree into tan 15 degree complementary angle into tan 75 degree into tan 80 degree is equal to 1. Prove this. Then second part, sin 42 degree into sec 48 degree plus cos 42 degree into cosec 48 degree, cosec 48 degree is equal to 2. Then wait, no, problems are problem, lot of problems are there. We are going to meet now. We are going to meet on Monday also, Tuesday also. So we are there till the problem gets over. Let me give one this question, then we'll ask it out. Now 18th. 18th. Chalo, we stop here at 18th. Last problem. See, you have to revise everything, but these are the questions where difficulty comes mainly. 18th, given sin A is equal to 3 by 5. Given sin A is equal to 3 by 5, find tan A and cos A. Find cos A, comma tan A. Find cos A, comma tan A. Clear? 19. If 2 cos 2A is equal to root 3, if 2 cos 2A is equal to root 3, find A and sin 3A. 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 Last question, 20. Find the value of cos square 60 degree plus sec square 30 degree plus tan square 45 degree now you ask it up. Yes. Now you can ask the doubt. Go through this. Which question? General doubt. Yes, ask. Yes. You can write the whole table with pencil. See, basically, you are going to write down that answer at home, correct? You are going to write down the answer at home. So on one paper you can write down those values. Whichever paper you are solving, on the last page of that paper or one paper beginning only, you can write down all the values and upload it, no problem. Ask. Repeat the question. Sin square 30 degree. 33 degree plus sin square 57 degree. Then okay, this much. Okay, no problem. See here. Now we use the complementary angle formula, that sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Correct? Sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, and we have proved that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Whenever theta value is same, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. I will use these two results. This I will write sin square 32, sin square 33 degree only. But this sin 57 I can write cos 90 minus 57, 90 minus 57 square, yes or no? Yes, you can change any one. One you fix, other you change. I am fixing 33, 57 I am changing. Sin 57 is same as? Because that result I have to use, no? Because that result we have already proved. A is 60 degree, B is 30 degree, prove that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Sin square A plus cos square A is 1. Sin square B plus cos square B is 1. So we have to use that result. So this is sin square 33 degree plus cos square 90 minus 57 is 33 degree. Now theta is same, 33 degree, 33 degree. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So answer will be 1. Directly. Then we cannot use that result. This is the final answer. Suppose, 1 minute, suppose you have sin square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Now this you cannot write 1 because the angles are different. This is 45 degree and this is 30 degree. So what I will do in that circumstances, I will use the value of sin 45. Sin 45 is so without using trigonometric table you cannot solve this. No, without trigonometric table. Why? For your simplicity we are using the table, no? Without using table, where the question arises without using table? Because we have taught the table, no? No. Ask, now which question doubt? Ask. Yes. Tell me which question. Now just go through those questions. Any question you are not able to solve? बोलो. 2 tan 3a cos 3a minus tan 3a plus 1 is equal to 2 cos 3a. What do you want? You want to prove? Find the magnitude. Okay. You want to find the magnitude. So this is 2 tan 3a cos 3a minus tan 3a plus 1 minus 2 cos 3a is equal to 0. Correct? So now I will focus on this. I will do the grouping. I will use the factorization. These two I will take together. These two I will take together. So this will be tan 3a is common. Then what is left? 2 cos 3a minus 1. And there it is. I will take, in these two I will take minus sign. When I will take minus sign, I will write down this first. That is 2 cos 3a minus 1 is equal to 0. Now 2 cos 3a minus 1 is common. So 2 cos 3a minus 1 is common. Then what is left? Tan 3a minus 1 is equal to 0. So multiplication of these two is 0, means either this is 0 or this is 0. So that will give you 2 cos 3a minus 1 is 0, or tan 3a minus 1 is 0. Tan 3a minus 1 is 0. So that will give you cos 3a is equal to 1 by 2, or tan 3a is equal to 1. So now cos of which angle is half? 60 degree. So that will give you 3a is equal to 60 degree. Or tan of which angle is 1? 45. So or 3a is equal to 45 degree. So that will give you a is equal to 20 degree or a is equal to 15 degree. Yes. So a has two values, 20 degree and yes, here. This is plus 1 and minus 2 cos A. I am taking minus sign first. So it will be 2 cos A. Then for plus 1, we have to, when we are taking this plus 1 inside the bracket, since we have taken minus sign outside, inside bracket the sign will change. So this plus 1 will become minus 1. Because I have taken minus sign outside the bracket. Last, ask the doubt. What is that? Tell me. See this. Because here multiplication of these two is 0, no? So this you remember the basic result. A dot B is 0. Second step, this is plus 1 and minus 2 cos A, no? I have taken 2 cos 3A on left side. So what is left on the right? 0 is left, no? When I have taken this on the left side, yes. What is that? Yes. Yes. 9:45. Yes. Now we stop here. Bye. Monday from any chapter you can ask the doubt. Tuesday also. Monday and Tuesday. Bye.